You can see here at Honeymoon Island, we have a little dune restoration project going on here. Those bunch grass sea oats are what help build the dunes up. And you can see some of the dunes are built up decently here. We have right here sea grapes, palmettos and palms, a lot of the rocket grass and other things. Beggar's ticks, which really don't belong here. They're more of a weed. And then here you are environmentally sensitive. It's a disturbed area, and it's closed to regrow some of the dunes, because these sea oats are what build the dunes up. You can see that there is a structure out there to prevent wave erosion, because erosion here at Honeymoon Island is a big problem. And in the distance you can see the city of Clearwater. We also have the structures here with the riprap, and here. So we have groins and jetties, and as we move up on this one, I can show you the result. Notice how the sand, the waves are coming in, and then all of a sudden the sand is built up towards those waves or jetties. And that is how beaches are maintained. We build these structures to help divert the sand into areas, and we can either relocate it or use that as beach. So these jetties, seawalls, groins are all man-made structures used to combat beach erosion. And here at Honeymoon Island, beach erosion is a really big problem. And we do have these structures built to help stem the tide, if you will. So Honeymoon Island is a beautiful beach. You do have an undeveloped dune system that has been disturbed, but then we do have a maritime forest with the Osprey Trail that we were hiking on, and we do have a scrub zone with sand pines, a lot of palms and palmettos, and the fast-growing plants. So this is a lovely, lovely beach. It is a golf beach. We do have the golf, and we have St. Joseph's Sound, so we have a sound side and a golf side. The sound side is in other videos where we are actually looking at mangrove swamps and intracoastals. This is the beach side, and as you can see, you get the white sand because golf beaches do have sand. They have a little too much current for the mud buildup, so you don't get the mangroves. You have an incomplete dune system, but then a well-developed scrub, well-developed maritime forest, and on the other side you have developed mangroves. So this is the side that has the most impact, and you can see that they're trying to restore it with this dune restoration project.